So there's a lot of different ways I've heard about being able to tell if a watermelon is ripe or not when it's on the vine. I've heard about thumping it to see if it sounds hollow. I can't hear the difference. I've heard about smelling it to see if it smells sweet. They just smell like watermelon to me, so I don't know. But there's a couple ways that I have found that are very reliable to tell you if your watermelon is actually ripe. The first one is by the watermelon, just opposite of where the stem comes out, is a tendril. If the watermelon is not ripe, the tendril will be green. If the watermelon is ripe, the tendril will be brown. So that's the first way. That tells you that your watermelon might be ripe. The second way you can tell is flip the watermelon over and look at where it sat on the ground. This one has a white base, and so it's not quite ready. It's just white right here. If we look at this one right here, it's heavy. If I can flip it over, you'll notice it's starting to turn yellow or kind of a beige color. So that tells you that this watermelon, between the tendril and the light beige on the bottom, tells you this is ready to pick. So I'm gonna take this watermelon inside and see how it tastes.